Hey guys, I'm Daniel Norton here in my home in New York, and it's Friday. We had done a live demo for Adorama last night. If you guys haven't seen that yet, I'm going to talk about it a little bit now. I'm starting to do these on this channel where I talk about some stuff I do other places, just because you guys aren't seeing them, and we can actually get into a deeper discussion. In this case, I'm not doing it live. I just wanted to kind of give an overview and also a shout out. You know, these are not easy to produce, you might imagine. And in a lot of ways, I have the easiest part, right? Just being up there and teaching you guys. Seth behind the scenes, getting the stream going and covering the questions and everything. He does an amazing job. And Erica was a fantastic model. So thanks, guys. If you don't know, every Sunday on Twitch, on my Twitch channel, I edit the photos. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I edit the photos and I talk a little bit more about it and my thoughts, kind of really taking a peek at them, be sure to follow me on Twitch. I will put a link in the description. Anyways, so I'm just going to quickly go over this just in case you didn't see it. Let me show you my screen here. So this is the video. Essentially, we were talking about sculpting light. And the idea was that I took a couple of different modifiers. I used a Beauty Edition. I also used softbox. And essentially, we went through some different techniques of getting the light to kind of create depth and feel in the model versus, just kind of your standard clean softbox feel, if you will, right? So let's take a look and capture one briefly so you guys can see what we made. Obviously, when you're watching the video, you see that, but we'll see even more here. Okay, so this was near the end. This is one of my shots that I like. This is kind of where we ended up. But just to kind of show you, if I can get back to the beginning, this is basically where we started, right? Clean, commercial, which is super nice, right? And it's often what we do teach when we're teaching lighting, because you want to learn that. You want to learn how to control it. You want to learn how to make it clean. You want to learn how to make it commercial. But then there's that next step beyond, and that's really what this demo was about. And, where you can create images like this one that have, this like this gradation, and we're using the darkness and the shadow to really create, I think, just a much more interesting image than just your flat, pretty girl, if you will, right? So, yeah, like I said, join me Sunday, guys. And also, if you don't follow me on other platforms, please do, because I will be going more live on Adorama at least twice a month now, because we're getting back into the swing of it. So if you maybe that you don't get all the notifications from them because it's such a big channel, so follow me on Instagram and stuff, and I'll always post there when I'm going to go live. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do ring the bell. You'll get all these videos, and I will see you next time.